Another fine vehicle offered by Texas Nissan of Grapevine.
This is a 2005 Ford Mustang, proving that life is a journey and not a destination. This Ford has a long list of incredible features including a power driver's seat, power windows, an MP3 CD changer, dual airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 49,000 miles. Its powertrain includes a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Not to mention that this Ford qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this car for yourself.